Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin x squared plus cosine x squared minus 2 sin x cosine x. This is about identity. So we can change into sin x minus cosine x to the power of 2. Next, the square root and the power 2 we can change into the absolute value of sin x minus cosine x. Next, we know that x approach to b over 4 from the left. So if we put b over 4 going here, you got about 0. And we also know that b over 4 is about 45 degrees. So I will choose another number is about 44 degrees. I put 44 degrees going here. I will get about negative 0.02. So that means the value on the left is about negative. So in this situation, when we cancel the absolute value, we need to put the negative sign next to sin x cosine x so that they can get the positive value on the left. Next, we put the square root of number 2 over 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, we have cosine of b over 4 over equals to sin b over 4 equals to the square root of number 2 over 2. So I will put this one to replace this one and this one to replace this one. Next, we have sin of a minus b equals to sin a cosine b minus cosine a sin b. So we apply this formula for this one in here. So we change this one into sin of s minus b over 4. Next, we have another formula. That's about the limit of s approach to a, and we have sin of s minus a over s minus a equals to number 1. So we apply this formula for this one over this one. So in this situation, if we apply this formula, we will have only negative number 1 over this number in here. So we simplify and we have negative the square root of number 2. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.